All right, in this problem we're going to use the quadratic formula to solve the equation 3x squared minus 5x plus 11 equals 0. So the first step is to identify a, b, and c. A is the coefficient or the number in front of x squared, which is 3. B is the coefficient in front of x, so it's the number in front of x, which is negative 5. And c is the number by itself, it is 11. The quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So I'm going to say x equals the negative of negative 5, so positive 5, plus or minus the square root of negative 5 squared minus 4 times 3 times 11. And that's all over 2 times a, 2 times 3. So x is going to equal 5 plus or minus the square root of 25 minus 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 times 11 is 130. Let's see, let's do 12 times 11. Let me make sure I get this right. So 12 and 12, yeah. So 132. So 125 minus 132 over 2 times 3, which is 6. Okay, so we're going to say x equals 5 plus or minus 25 minus 132. So I'm going to do 132 minus 25. So borrow from 3, so we have 7, and then 0, 107. All right, so that's negative 107 because we're subtracting the 132. And then that's over 6. So what I want to do is factor out the square root of negative 1 here, so I'm going to rewrite this as 5 plus or minus the square root of negative 1 times the square root of 107 over 6. Square root of negative 1 is I, so we're going to say x equals 5 plus or minus I times the square root of 107 over 6. Now 107, that's not something that's really easily divisible. Let's see, 13 times 8. Let's see, 13 times 8. Let me just do that for a minute, just check. So that's 104. So not divisible by 13. Let's try 17. If there's anything really we can simplify this with, let's do 17 times 6. That's going to be 102. So no, not really. We can't really break down 107, so we're going to leave it as is. So we're going to say our two solutions are x equals 5 minus I times the square root of 107 over 6, and x equals 5 plus I times the square root of 107 over 6. So here we have our two solutions here and here, and that's it. Two complex solutions because the discriminant is negative. Hopefully this video was helpful.